Welcome to Skill Header Master Business Accounting Project. This video is the 18th part of this mega project and level 2 of the business management startup process related to the general accounts balances in the chart of accounts. Please access the complete playlist from the I button above or link in the description and bookmark it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment on the video. In our business management startup process level 1, we created these forms with tabs for the purpose of entering balances and business information. In this second level, let's create the process of business general account balances like cash in hand, petty cash, cash in banks, etc. These are two accounts-related tables that need to be upgraded further with accounts type in the sub-accounts table for built-in accounts. Update the chart of accounts table with the accounts type added to the table. Before getting into the record source query, understand the levels of the chart of accounts we are going to deal with. Level 1 is about the main accounts of assets, liabilities, equity, and expenses. Here is an example of assets and how it works. The level 2 is about grouping based on level 1 accounts. The sub-accounts of level 3 are under the grouping level, like cash-related accounts example. From the record source query, add the accounts type into the query. Now, add the field into the form and adjust and align all the objects in the form quickly. After arranging the main chart of accounts form, copy the form and rename it as the startup accounts to integrate into the business startup form. There is no need for an accounts summary button here, so delete it first. Delete the options button as well. I have already deleted all the previous data from all the tables of charts of accounts, customers, orders, invoices, items and products, suppliers, and PO. Build-in accounts must be created before proceeding. The relationship has not been defined between the main chart of accounts and the sub-accounts table, so create it first. Now add main, group, and sub-accounts with common account numbers starting from 11 for assets, 111 for liabilities, 211 for equity, and 311 for expenses. The purpose of creating built-in accounts is to restrict the use, not to delete or manipulate the master accounts. Now expand the footer section of the form to create a text box for the total business balance. The total amount has been added. Next is to make the edit account functional with the accounts edit form. This will be done by duplicating the subaccounts form. Let's see the name of the form first. Copy the form and rename it with edit form. Select the sub-accounts table as the form's control source. Change all the unbound objects as bound to the fields. Change the form's name wherever applicable. Remove the unnecessary code from the Submit button. The edit button code needs to be updated according to the newly created form. You know the edit form's reference ID is based on the sub-account ID, so you need to add the ID field. The list box in the form was previously intact with the unbound combo box, which has been changed. You need to update it according to the bound object. The Accounts Group combo box should be based on the main chart of Accounts ID. Let's change it. The edit form is working fine now. Move on to make the delete button functional, but it is a tricky part because we do not want to delete built-in accounts, and on the other hand, accounts should be 0 before deleting. Find and copy the progress bar pop-up message code. All objects should be locked. Now, it's time to integrate the accounts form with the Business Management Startup Form tab. That is a great work. If you have learned from our videos, please like, share, and comment about your thoughts and email us for support. The next video will be all about entering the balances of customers, suppliers, and inventory or stock for the startup of the business.